What is the name of the first Hindi novel published in 1877 to bring awareness amongst Indian women? The correct answer is D. Bhagyavati. Bhagyavati is believed to have been written mainly in Amritsar and was published in 1877. A book, Home in the World, was written by, the correct answer is C. Amartya Sen. So Amartya Sen, Home in the World is really 3 books in one, a sensitively written memorial of the first 30 years of his life. It is respected with sharp commentaries on history and politics as well as intellectual disquisition on economic theory and philosophy. Let's check the next question. Which of the following books was not written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? The correct answer is C. My Country, My Life. This book is written by Lal Krishna Advani. Let's check the next question. Which of the following books is not of Surdas? The correct answer is A. Surat Sai. Surat Sai is not written by Surdas. Surdas was a Hindi poet who wrote devotional songs and poems. Which of the following writers and their books are wrongly paired? The correct answer is A. Dark Side of the Camelot, Salman Rushdie. Which of the following books is not written by Salman Rushdie? The correct answer is A. An Area of Darkness. This book is written by V.S. Naipaul. Let's check the next question. Which of the following books is written by Varha Mahira? The correct answer is C. Brihat Samhita. It's an influential encyclopedic text in Sanskrit. Which of the following books is written by Kiran Desai? The correct answer is D. The Inheritance of Loss. Which of the following books is not authored by R.K. Narayan? The correct answer is D. The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book is written by Rudyard Kipling. Let's check the next question. Which of the following books is written by Namita Gokhale? The correct answer is A. A Himalayan Love Story. Let's check the next question. Which of the following books was written by P.V. Narasimha Rao? Correct answer is B. The Insider. A novel named Memorial was written by Dash. The correct answer is B. Bran Washington. What is the name of Smriti Irani's first book or novel? The correct answer is D. Lal Salam. Veteran journalist and TV anchor Karan Thapar is the author of which of the following books? The correct answer is B. Devil's Advocate, The Untold Story. Which of the following books are not associated with the Man Booker's Prize? The correct answer is B. The Keepers of the House. Which of the following books is not written by Chetan Bhagat? The correct answer is B. Wise and Otherwise. Which of the following books is written by Sunil Gavaskar? The correct answer is C. Sunny Days. This is his own story. Which of the following books has been written by Kishwar Desai? The correct answer is Witness the Night, B option. Which of the following books has been written by V.S. Naipaul? The correct answer is E. A House for Mr. Biswas. Let's check the next question. Discovery of India and Glimpses of World History was written by Dash. The correct answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.